Hi, I'm Frank from Hong Kong team, China. Now, let's talk about iPhone 11 dock connector J8200. This is the dock connector. This is pin number 1, this one. This 1, 3, 5, 7, and then 33, 35, 37, 39, 41. Another side 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, and here 33, 43, 44. Okay, all the readings are here. All the readings. You can take a picture. Then let's learn the theory, how it works. Let's see from left side. Okay. This is dock connector. Pin 39, 40, 43. It is VBus 1. VBus 1. It is charging line. When you connect the charging cable, it goes to here and then to Tigris. So if this 3 pins problem cause no charging. And pin 2, 36, 35, number 1. These lines is for ringer 1, bottom ringer, bottom speaker, right? What's the function for each line? Look here, this is ringer amplifier U4902. Output, look here, output positive, output negative. These 2 lines are output lines. And then go to speaker on a dock flex cable, okay? And this is VSense, bottom VSense. This is voltage feedback from speaker to the amplifier. This is positive. Look, this one is VSense positive, and this is VSense negative from bottom to the ringer amplifier. So if this line problem will cause no bottom ringer not work, bottom speaker fail. Okay, let's go on. Okay, and then pin 10, 11, 13, 15, 17, 25, 27, 26, all connect to USB-IC. USB-IC. Hydra. Okay, let's explain line by line. This one is detect line. This line to detect the cable is charging cable or USB cable. And this one also to turn on the phone when you connect. Do you know when you connect the cable, connect the charger or USB cable, the phone you will auto start, right? Auto start, this is the power on line 2. So detection and power on line. 11 DP2, 13 DP2, positive, negative, right? And 15 DP1. What's the function of DP1, DP2? When you connect cable, DP1 is to connect computer with CPU and then become DFU mode or recovery mode. So this DP1 is for connecting. And DP2, after connector, maybe you upload, download video, picture, and so on. So DP2 is for uploading and downloading. And next one, 2527, this is ACC2. 26, ACC1. ACC1, ACC2 is to verify side A or side B. When you the charging cable, the USB cable, it has two sides, right? Upside, downside, side A, side B. So ACC1 side A, ACC2 side B. If any one broken, will cause one side working, another side does not work. Okay. But for ACC1 here, this is LDO, the power to it. The power. This is input, right? Input from Tigris. VDD main. And this is control line from PMU and an output to this line. Okay. With ACC1 and ACC2. Let's go on. Go down. This line, okay. Okay, 1.8, it is the power. Power to the dock connector, dock flex cable. And okay, this is iCpu. This line is interrupt line, control line. These two lines I2C, okay, I2C, clock, data. This I2C to control vibration IC, ringer 1, okay, and also to up antenna, and then to the dock connector. So this is the control line from CPU. Let's have a look. Another side. This one is audio IC. Audio IC connect to the dock connector. So if audio IC broken, also can cause audio problem on dock connector. One by one, let's explain this. Okay, let's remove. Look, this one is lower mic 1. Mic 1 lower bias. Okay, bias means the power for mic. Okay, I think there is one mic here, one mic on the dock flex cable. Dock flex cable. Let me draw it like this. This is mic 1 positive, mic 1 negative. Okay, like this. Mic. This one. This is a negative line, positive line. And this one is the power line, right? Power bias. You see bias means the powerful microphone. And this is a bias filter. This is the filtering line to reduce noise. So this 4 line is about lower mic 1. Okay, low mic 1 is the main mic. And here it is Mickey bus reference. Mickey bus. Do you remember Mickey bus? Mickey bus, we already talked about this in the previous video. Okay, this is reference for Mickey bus. And this is mic 4, low mic 4. Another mic. Okay, another mic. Negative, positive. This is negative, positive. And this is the bias, the power, right? Bias. And this is the filtering line. Theory is same. And this is vibration ICU 5102. So let's have a look here. It is the amplifier of vibration. One by one. Output, look here, out positive, out negative. output to control the motor on dock flex cable. And this is V sense positive, V sense negative, the feedback line, okay, feedback line. So if any of these 4 lines broken, will cause no vibration. And then, okay, let's look at the last one. These are for CPU, from CPU. From CPU, I2S, I2S, I2S. I2S is about the inter-IC sound. It is the sound, the audio signal. Look. Audio signal, now look here, it goes to vibration IC. Look here, this and this, okay? And this, what for vibration IC. It also go to, this is ringer 2. And also go to, this is ringer 1. And also go to audio IC. And then go to dock connector. So I2S is about sound. It goes to many different bases and many different components. Just now we finished the explanation of the dock connector. There are many different functions, right? So if dock connector broken will cause many different faults. That's all for this section. Bye bye.